Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I will be sharing a really beautiful transformation of an enamel table that I got from Five and Below. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get right into it. I started by removing everything from the plastic wrap. I'll be setting everything aside and just start working with the table itself. I'll be using tabletop epoxy part A and part B. For this project, we will also be needing some cups so we can separate the epoxy in different sizes and colors, and some sticks to stir it, and we will also be needing some acrylic paint. Now I'll go ahead and put equal parts of part A and part B, and I'll be stirring them together for 5 minutes. Once it was all mixed in, I started separating it into smaller cups, and I'll be making different colors using the acrylic paint. The next step is really self-explanatory, and I really love it because you can try so many different things, so I'll just let you guys enjoy it. Once the top part was dry, I went on and added the legs. Here's the final piece. It turned out so beautiful and really unique. I have 3 reasons why you should try it as well. First, you get to create something really fun and creative. Second, you can change any old surface of table that you may have at home that you no longer like. And at last, you can definitely have a high-end look item in your home on a budget. I hope you guys did enjoy this project. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.